Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add reviews to your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Right here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discount. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, here you're going to find your apps and settings. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to add reviews to your Shopify store, all you need to do, guys, is go to online store or go to apps. Here, right next to it, you're going to find this little arrow. Give it a click. And then here, you're going to find all of these applications that you have on your online store. In the bottom, you're going to find all recommended apps and also app and sales channel settings. Go ahead and click on all recommended apps. And then you're going to be here. Go to the bottom and here you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. This is basically the App Store. In the top, you're going to find the search bar. Give it a click and then search for reviews. Hit enter and then you're going to find all of these applications that will help you to add reviews to your store. For example, I'm going to choose this one, Vitals, Reviews, and Bundles. So just click on the application and then you're going to be here in the app page. Once here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to install it. Go ahead and click on install and then you're going to be taken to this page right here. Once here, click on install again and then just wait for it to load. Basically, the application is going to be added to your navigation bar. And then once the app is added, right here, you're going to get access to the widgets, integrations, and so on. And from here, you can add reviews to your online store. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.